Train your mind to respond, not react. Stoic philosophy. In life, we're constantly faced with challenges, pressure, and moments that test our patience. Most people go through life reacting, snapping in anger, getting overwhelmed by fear, or making impulsive decisions that they later regret. But the Stoics taught something different. They believed in the power of the pause, the space between stimulus and response. They understood that you can't always control what happens to you, but you can always control how you respond to it. That's where your real power lies, not in changing the world around you, but in mastering the world within you. Epictetus once said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." The Stoics trained themselves to remain calm and rational in the face of chaos. When something upsetting happens, they didn't explode or panic. They observed. They analyzed. Then they chose the most logical, most virtuous response. That's what we must learn to do in our own lives. When you get insulted, don't fire back with anger. Instead, ask yourself, does this deserve my energy? When you feel anxiety creeping in, don't drown in it. Step back. Examine the thought. Challenge it. Is it within your control? If not, let it go. The difference between reacting and responding is the difference between being a slave to your emotions and being the master of your mind. Reacting is impulsive. It's emotional. It's driven by the ego. Responding is intentional. It's grounded in reason and wisdom. Marcus Aurelius, the great Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher, reminded himself daily that people would be rude, selfish, and irrational, but he chose not to be dragged down by them. He chose to keep his character intact. That is the discipline we must build. Not to let the external world shake our internal foundation. To respond rather than react is not weakness, it's strength. It's self-control. It's clarity. It's saying, I won't let my emotions dictate my actions. It's learning to be still when your instincts tell you to lash out. It's learning to breathe before you speak, to think before you move, and to choose virtue over vengeance. This kind of mental training doesn't happen overnight. It requires practice. It requires reflection. It requires patience. But every time you resist the urge to react and instead choose to respond, you gain power. You train your mind to rise above the noise. So remember, every day, life will test you. People will frustrate you. Plans will fall apart. But you always have a choice. Don't just react. Respond. Like a true Stoic. With reason. With calm. With strength. That is how you take back control, not just of your actions, but of your entire life.